India has scripted history, the Prime Minister today said, as India crossed 1 billion or 100 crore vaccine doses. India's vaccine century, as the government put it. So the Prime Minister today was at the Central Government Hospital in Delhi to congratulate health workers. He met with people getting the vaccines. And across the country today, celebrations including ships hooting at ports and all monuments, central government monuments being lit up to mark this achievement.
हम देशवासियों ने, हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने, हमारे उद्यमियों की ताकत का ही ये परिणाम है कि भारत को वैक्सीन के लिए किसी और देश पर हमें निर्भर नहीं होना।
मेरे भारत का ये विश्वास है।
The Prime Minister at Delhi's central government-run Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital moments after India crossed the 1 billion mark.
टीकाकरण दिख रहा एक नया इतिहास है।
A picture of the PM giving a thumbs up to jubilant health workers at the hospital has since gone viral. He later thanked everyone involved.
ये उपलब्धि भारत की है, भारत के प्रत्येक नागरिक की है। मैं देश की वैक्सीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनियां, वैक्सीन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में जुड़े कर्मयोगियां, वैक्सीन लगाने में जुटे हेल्थ सेक्टर के प्रोफेशनल्स, बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
As the nation celebrates 100 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine, a rangoli here at the BKC Jumbo COVID Center.
1 billionth dose, and we also saw since morning how celebrations have been going on.
Karnataka first to have 1 billion doses in the country.
Telangana, in fact, is going to be celebrating by lighting up some of its monuments, as the archaeological survey has said.
जो दे रहे
The health minister marked the vaccine century by launching a vaccination anthem at the iconic Red Fort in Delhi.
इस युद्ध में जो लड़ रहा वो हर सिपाही खास है। शतकोटि गर्व एहसास है, ये एक नया इतिहास है, इतिहास है।
At Mumbai's Jumbo Vaccination Center, which was adorned with rangolis and flowers for the occasion, 5 cakes were cut to celebrate.
More pride what we feel this vaccination center is one of the biggest in this country, and we have done maximum vaccination, which is not less than 3 lakh doses from day one.
In Kolkata, a nurse who administered the first dose of a COVID vaccine at this center is now celebrating 100 crore.
16 জানুয়ারি ফার্স্ট ভ্যাকসিন আমিই দিয়েছিলাম। ওপেনিংটা আমার হাতেই হয়েছিল। খুবই খুশি আমরা যে 100 কোটি মানুষকে আমরা ভ্যাকসিন দিতে পেরেছি। I feel very proud to be a part of this.
Now that this morning's festivities have winded down, as you can see here at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, the realization that there is still a long way to go has set in. The government has revealed that around 10 crore vaccination beneficiaries who are eligible to take their second dose have actually missed their deadline. The gap between partially and fully vaccinated people is amongst the largest in the world.
स्ट्रैटेजी बिल्कुल ऑब्वियस है कि हम सब की अब जिम्मेवारी है कि जिसने एक डोज लगा लिया वो भूल रहे हैं उनको याद दिलाएं। टेलीफोन से उनके SMS के द्वारा उनको मैसेजिंग करी जा रही है।
With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta in Mumbai, Meher Pandey for NDTV.